hello, Earth. Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to May's Tarot Healing. And this reading is all about love, my lovely Libras. This is your reading for the month of June in regards of your love life. Okay, what I can see here, what we have here, loves, is the energy for the month, the challenges, and what's coming in regards of your relationship, and the final message for your love life. Okay, for the energy, guys, Libras, we have here the star and the five of swords. So what I can see here, Libras, na unang-una ko nakita dito, no, you like to be the center of the attention. Center of the attention of your partner. Okay, so nakikita ko dito, you wanted to be appreciated this month. You wanted to feel loved this month. Kasi nakikita ko dito na somehow hindi nagkakaroon ng magandang communication yung partnership nyo or within the partnership. Para to sa mga in relationship. Inuulit ko lang sa mga in relationship, wag nyong i-claim ng i-claim ng i-claim if hindi naman kayo resonated, guys. So just take whatever it is that resonated with you, Libras, and that is the energy na nakikita ko agad dito. Alright. So nakikita ko rin dito that there are conflicts pagdating sa mga in relationship, mga hindi nagkakaintindihan, nagkakatampuhan because they don't communicate. Alam ko kasi earth sign, guys, is love communicating. So hindi ko alam kung bakit ang Aquarians and Libras right now is having a hard time communicating what they wanted to receive, what they wanted to happen. Okay? So Libras and Aquarians are having a hard time communicating. So nakikita ko dito ngayon, Libras, you wanted to feel like you're loved, like you don't need to say it. Just feel it. Kasi ganun kayo ma-attach sa isang tao or ganun kayo mag-alaga ng tao. Ganun kayo sa relationship. You just notice the changes. You just notice things with your partner and you wanted to be like that. Okay? Gusto nyo rin maranasan yung ganun na hindi nyo na kailangan sabihin yung problema. Ano bang problema? Like, it's easy for you guys to be hurt this month. My dear Libras, okay? What will be the challenges for you guys? So nakikita ko dito, meron akong nakikitang restriction dito pagdating sa challenges nyo, no? So pinipigilan nyo yung sarili nyo. Hindi ko alam pero may nafe-feel ako dito na parang feeling nyo na nakakulong kayo. Feeling nyo hindi nyo magawa yung gusto nyo. Feeling nyo na burden na kayo sa mga nangyayari or sa relationship or just parang kayo na lang na kayo. Okay? Nakikita ko dito yung 3 of Wands, guys. Meron yung productivity nyo, no, nababawasan. Okay? Hindi kayo makapag-progress, hindi nyo magawa yung gusto nyo, hindi nyo ma-improve yung self nyo because you guys felt like being restricted. Hindi kayo makagalaw ng ayos. Siguro yung relationship yung pumipigil sa inyo or itong setup na to or itong partnership na to ang pumipigil sa inyo to embrace who you really are and have growth with yourself. Okay? Guys, you could be married, you could have kids, tapos baka yung marriage yung nagkukulong sa inyo or yung pagkakaanak yung nagkukulong sa inyo. Possible meron kayong ganun right now this month of June. And what is coming in regards of your relationship, my dear Libra? Nakikita ko dito, no, na magkakaroon naman ng security yung relationship nyo. So nakikita ko na itong partner nyo could be somehow na hardworking, tapos trabaho na lang yung inuuna. So at the end of the day, mapapansin or mararamdaman ng partner nyo na ay napapabayaan ko na, ay hindi lang pera yung kailangan ng partner ko. Okay? So nakikita ko rin dito na this partner of you guys, most of you, needs to tell something. Kapag may hindi kayo nagustuhan, you guys need to tell something para maintindihan ng partner nyo. Hindi pwedeng mararamdaman na lang nila, okay? Kasi hindi sila ganun. Especially kung ang mga partner nyo ay hardworking. Nakikita ko dito, they need to heard it. They need to hear it from you guys, okay? Nakikita ko dito na magkakaroon ng thoughts or possible confirmation pagdating sa inyo, mapapaglinawan nyo, mapapag-usapan nyo yung mga bagay-bagay this month as well. So, just in case, guys, you heard this message, so, nakikita ko dito na try to communicate. Partnership is not just individual na kailangan mo, this is you, this is him. you guys need to connect. Okay, you guys need to feel the connection. You guys need to work on each other. You work on your own, you work in a relationship. He work on his own, and you guys will work on a relationship. Okay? Especially sa mga married na dyan. Madami ako nakikita na married na mga Libras dito because we have the Hierophant. So, nakikita ko dito na sa mga single naman, sa mga single ha, nakalimutan kong banggitan. Sa mga single natin, you want to be, you are feeling so good about yourself but having a conflict finding a partner. Okay, so you might feel like, oh, I deserve this, I deserve that. The standard is there. But pagdating sa past relationship is not good. You haven't able to move forward or move on from your exes, and hindi maganda or hindi okay yung mga na-attract yung relationship, my dear Libras na single, okay? And nakikita ko dito na yes, most of you, the challenge ng mga single is your past or mga experience or trauma nyo na hindi nyo pa nahi-healed. Okay, there are um problems pagdating sa knowing what you want, my dear singles, okay, na Libra. So, nakikita ko what's coming for you guys could be an offer from someone, admirer this month. Nakikita ko rin dito na you might want to put your attention to your spiritual or praying or pagsisimba. Okay, tap into that aspect of your life this month para makita nyo at magkaroon kayo ng mas maraming or mas magkaroon kayo ng clarity pagdating sa kung ano yung gusto nyo talagang gawin at gusto nyo magkaroon pagdating sa relationship, my dear singles. Okay? So, let's see what we have here pagdating sa message. Ano pa yung additional message natin sa love life? Okay? Tingnan natin, guys. Ay, sorry. Ba pala yun? So, what else, Libras? The final message for your love life. Alright. Okay, what we have here, the garden. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito, duality, guys. We have 20 as a number. So, 2 plus 0 is 2. So, nakikita ko dito, guys, you have duality. Nakikita ko na things will be balanced for you, especially sa mga in relationship. There will be balance, there will be freedom, there will be relaxation that's going to happen. There will be peace coming in to your relationship, and you will have that peace in your relationship this month. Nakikita ko naman sa iba na there will be changes, okay? You have to know the truth, especially sa mga single to ha. You have to know the truth. You have to face the truth for you to be able to move forward or to work on yourselves or to have changes in your routines, have changes in your thoughts. You have to know the truths that is being hidden from you guys. So, there will be truth revelations, intuition, okay? And changes pagdating sa relationship nyo. Okay? Nakikita ko dito na there will be destiny going on. So, Libra, wag kayong mag-alala. Nakikita ko dito na yung partner nyo or the person, lalo na sa mga kasal, they are really the person that is really meant for you. And sa mga single dyan, you don't have to worry about anything in regards of finding someone because things will happen when it's about to happen kasi yung matatagpuan nyo sa lifetime na ito is your soulmate, guys. So you don't have to worry about too much. Okay, pagdating sa relationship, hindi nyo kailangan mataranta na hindi pa kayo nagkakajowa, wala pa kayong partner, wala pa kayong serious relationship, hindi pa kayo nakakapag-settle, hindi pa kayo pinapakasalan, etc., etc. Because things will happen at its own timing, okay, for you guys, because destiny will be with you. All right, so thank you so much, my dear Libras.